Starlink Wi-Fi not showing up. Here's how to fix it fast. Fix 1. Ensure proper power and hardware setup. Step 1. Make sure the LED is lit on your router. No light, no power. Step 2. Check all cables, power, dish, and router, and plug them firmly in. Try a different outlet if needed. Fix 2. Power cycle the system. Step 1. Unplug power from router and dish if possible, for 30 seconds to a minute. Step 2. Plug it back in and wait a few minutes. Look for the Wi-Fi network, Starlink. Fix 3. Factory reset the router. Step 1. Quickly unplug and replug the power cable 6 times to trigger a reset. Step 2. Wait a minute. Your Wi-Fi SID should revert to default. Starlink. Fix 4. Reconnect and reconfigure. Step 1. Connect your device to the Starlink Wi-Fi. No password. No password. Step 2. Open the Starlink app, e-settings, Wi-Fi, then set a new SID and password. Fix 5. Confirm system status in app. Step 1. In app, check for obstructions and dish alignment tools. Step 2. Wait up to 30 minutes. If still offline, reboot equipment again via app guidance.